Once bikes like the Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R enter the picture, it's really a matter of who outraces whom. Packing a 1441cc engine capable of 200 horsepower, this Ninja stood alone in its class before the Lightning LS 218 joined the club. It is one of the heaviest bikes on this list at 584 pounds. But it maintains an impressive ratio of weight to torque at 113 pound-feet. In 2013, Ralph Nichols set the Australian land speed record on a Ninja ZX14R with tyre and gearing changes. Nichols rode the Ninja above 208 miles per hour. At 398 pounds including race ABS. This BMW Superbike is capable of extraordinary acceleration. Maximum output is 199 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque, affording the S1000RR a controlled top speed of 190 miles per hour. Yet at Monza in 2011 the Bimmer hit 196.3 miles per hour. Then in 2014 Valerie Thompson ran this monster to 208.81 miles per hour at Bonneville Salt Flats with about 12 modifications. In September 2016, she dusted both times when she reached 217.7 miles per hour. There were plenty of headlines when Lightning debuted its electric production bike that had already hit 218 miles per hour at Bonneville in 2011. To remind everyone of the achievement, it bears the name LS 218. Both the fastest electric bike and one of the fastest road bikes in production, the Lightning LS 218 has everything a speed lover could want. It features 200 horsepower and 168 pound-feet of torque with the ability to hit 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds. It's clear why Marine Turbine photographs and tests its bikes on airport runways. For starters, these motorcycles run on jet turbine engines. Factor in that they have been clocked at 227 miles per hour, and you see why an airstrip is the ideal location for a test run. The Superbike is capable of 320 horsepower on 425 pound-feet of torque. The MTT Turbine shook the bike world with its stunning top speed. But then the Kawasaki Ninja H2R happened. This bike, which is legal for riding on closed courses only, nearly matched the Y2K with 310 horsepower. Turkish rider Kenan Sofuoglu nailed the stunning mark of 400 km per hour, 249 miles per hour, riding this bike in 2016. That makes H2R the fastest production motorcycle on the planet.